Name is Ayush.
My name is Tamim.
I'm studying in UKG. My school name is Saint Philomena High School in Chandapura.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka. Kuvepu, Tarabere, Shivarankaram, Mashi Venkateshwayanka, V.K. Goga, Yarantamoti, Girish Karna, Chandrasekhar Kamba.
Classical dance from India.
Classical dance from India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Satriya, Assam, Makkhidas, Madhya Pradesh, Dadia, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National Festival, January 26, Republic Day, August 1st Day, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th, Children's Day.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India. Gomoteshwara statue in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Konark Sun Temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Kashra in Andhra Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India. Ramayana, Mahabharata.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishad, Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Anugya Upanishad, Maitreya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chaitanya Upanishad, Bhuvantanaka Upanishad.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara Vishnu, Vasya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, Zakir Hussain, Vere Jadid, and Sanjeeva Reddy, Shankar Jaya Sharma, Raman Swami Venkatarama, K.R. Narayan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee,
countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Small states, Goa, Rajasthan.
States and capitals.
States and capital, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Jaipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Jamnagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Uppal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkabellapura, Chikkaduರ್ಗ, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Kadar, Hassan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yargiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival, Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safari, Sujata Deepavali, Utturani Chandava, Kennedy Chandava, Onake Okava, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Aishwarya Lakshmi Bai.
Seven colors in rainbow.
Seven colors in rainbow, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official language of India,
Assami.
Assami, Bengali, Guru, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religions of India, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Persian.
Provinces of India.
Promise of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vivekananda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwadhar Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Manmohan Singh, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inda Kumar Goswal, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwija, Kartika, Margashira, Pushya, Magha, Taruna.
Main agriculture products.
Main agricultural products: rice, cane, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Most popular international airports in India.
Most popular international airports in India: Gandhi Airport, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, /Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulikeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavashva, Nayakari Nayaka, Vidurani Chandama, Onake Opava, Akka Bukka, Jaya Chamaraja Odeya, Kempegowda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to self-determination, rights to freedom, cultural and education rights to constitutional remedies.
Five sense organs.
Five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasty: Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Hoysala dynasty, Mayura dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Mokka dynasty, Jatakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty, Pathan dynasty.
9 union territories.
Union territories: New Delhi, Delhi, Chandigarh, Tamil Nadu, Nava Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Kabul, Argentina, Dubai,